Gold just cracked.
Gold's taking off.
Yep.
Yeah,
Gold just
I'm
cracked.
watching as well.
I'm holding.
Smashed down flat and finally picked a direction.
45 income.
Yeah,
This.
yeah, man. We spoke about this. Whee! Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the New York session live streams again. Get it. Get everyone in. Invite
Luke,
everyone
when you
on
left,
this. Yeah.
we spoke with Guala that 45 is incoming.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
Yeah, so.
that's wrong. Oh, remove this. Put it to the dot like this, and then invite, and then copy link, and then there we go. No one's able to see it anyways. There we go. Sheesh.
Michelle is probably banking
We
big money.
yeah, Michelle is running. She's gonna go to the boat, and then she's gonna shoot someone. Yeah, with the champagne.
No,
Isn't it, Michelle?
Her through holding on to a profit.
What do you say?
Holding, don't worry.
Yeah, she's like, I want more. Give me more. No, so what are you gonna hold? 45.
No more 200 pip drawdown. No more.
Don't talk about that.
Yo, Michelle.
Yeah?
You're holding till 45.
Alright.
Hey, yo.
I mean, it makes sense to go to 45.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. That was what I was looking for as well. Like if we start creating a support right here, we come back and start breaking the lows again, then I'm definitely jumping in sell straight away, man. You don't even want to know. Like, look at this clean traffic down. Yeah, you only have this little 52 thing. Create a support on 52, break the lows, and then fly down. So.
Yeah, I mean, if we can create support here and then break that support, I think that would be lovely.
Yep.
But just like a little pause in the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because once again, it's dropping from resistance, Luke. If you can see on a 30-minute or 15, so you don't want to just get in now.
Yeah, that's why I said I want to wait for a support and break the support. Start flying further down. GJ, I don't really want to touch it, to be honest with you.
Jesus, 75 pips.
Yeah, GJ spoke about as well 400 daily resistance. You don't want to be in there at that point.
Yeah.
It might
exactly
still come
into
down
that
to
zone. Exactly.
Yeah,
into
that we spoke about. Yeah.
I mean, it made its bottom wick right now, and we still didn't like fully break structure. We still have this level right here, this level right here, this level right here. Below that, I will be looking for sells. Other than that, buys are, I think.
I mean, on daily, as long as we don't break 800, 153, 800, we're bullish.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Same thing.
So just
change the date. Oh, we go.
Despite we taking sells today, it made sense, but I'm bullish.
Okay, now date is updated.
New York might come back to retest the lows. It might be a possibility, but other than that, I don't see anything on GG today.
Yeah.
London session that we had nice sells.
Yeah, my zones are still the same on gold as well. Might be looking for buys above 161, but I'd rather buy above 66.
I see buys only above 66.
Yeah, there's risky buys above. That's all. I've risky buys always pointed out, and then the potential correct buys pointed out. Let's see.
I see buys coming real soon, eh?
Yeah. Let's hit that 10.5K today. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.
I went to like the stream and I got stopped out in profit.
Oh shit.
I had a tight stop.
I was damn.
Gonna let it go.
Yeah, this might be the area that we might reject.
Yeah.
And then shoot up if that's what Guala is saying. And
this is the range is massive, man.
Yeah, it's a very strong support area.
Yeah, so I think that's what we might come back into 4-hour support zone.
My man BP, what's up, player?
Man.
Good morning, look goes also right at it. Clean weekly. Support level. Yeah, I know. I know. If we go deeper in that level, we just broke this low, then we could continue moving down towards this level right here. Target 45. Makes sense. Otherwise, 66, above 66 buys are going to be playing out. Or 61. One of the two break at this high, there's going to be a break of structure. And I'm going to see buys get into play only. The problem is that there's no problem. We have enough range right there, but the way we're probably going to move through there is not going to be as clean as we're going to move from 66 to 74, you know. Out of bound gold in the break of 95, but in the 10 pips in the mattress. 95? What? That's all the way up here, man. We were only selling from this top when everyone started to buy all of a sudden, when it was clear that the 4-hour resistance was getting respected.
Yeah, that one was one I said even to my student because he took a buy. I told him you taking a buy into 4-hour resistance, a sort of support area that has been broken and closed below in the Asian session. So you don't want to do that until there's a flip in the market structure.
Yeah.
Luke, if you look at the 4-hour, TradingView's charts did this, but mine didn't. The from the third 6-3, that spike to the low. My previous 4-hour candle did not break that, but this new one did. And TradingView's previous 4-hour did break it, but mine didn't until just now.
Okay.
So that was my confirmation of finally getting the tip of that candle.
Yeah, it makes sense because you can't rely on just one provider, right? Every provider is a little bit different, so it makes sense. If it now broke in your chart.
That's why
so
I
good.
took that sale, because I've watched it where I missed it by 4 pips on my previous 4-hour candle.
Yeah.
And that's why I took that sell, because it usually will come down. We're not going to come this far and leave 4 pips on the table.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Morning, good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome. Get that music on. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I think this is pretty good. How do I do that? This one? No, it's nice, man. 25 degrees. I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying it. Love this tune. Looks like we're pimping today. You know the vibes. Yeah, you know the vibes, Mamba. Did you enter 1855? No. Why would I? Set support. Let's take a look at this chart. Oh. Now you did a very nice break and retest. That was very good, man. 5 minute closing below. Okay, okay, okay. Savage trade, man. Savage. Very, very smart. I was looking at that too. Looking at the same thing. Especially if you look on the 15 minute, it was a very, very clear entry on the 15 minute time frame. I think that was already calling out a nice trade. Once this candle closed, yeah. It all made 100% sense, man. 15 minute had a small wick to the bottom. right here. Already closed. Oh, this one already closed before. Yeah, it's the last 5-minute candle. I think selling based on that 15-minute was already a pretty good idea. It pulled back up a little bit, but once that pull back up came back down, yeah, it was very, very nice. Very good chart. We're trading like Wix on Elias. Slowly filling up. There we go. How does this work? Where's your point of sales on gold? No, it says right here. I'm looking for sales below that zone. Between these two boxes, I'm looking for sales below there. I want to see price go down a little deeper to 52, come back up, create a resistance, maybe against this level or against this box, and then continue moving down. When this gold is going up, it will go very, very hard. Yeah, I'm probably looking for my first buys above 61 if I see some bullish momentum coming up in the market. First buys and then second buys are going to be above 66. Depends. If I see a good entry right here coming up with a resistance created and then break of resistance, then I'm going to 100% take a buy up towards 65, 66 and hold the runner probably through to 74 if that works out. Can we see your MT4, MT5? No. You have to go to Instagram. At the end of the day, I post it. Next to that, I ain't selling anything, so relax. You reckon sales below 1853? No. Because if you go left, right? If you go left on the 15-minute time frame, they're still supported at 52.4, right? So be careful on that one. Have to wait for some momentum to come in. Right now, there's not a lot, so. I mean, at the end of the day, price on the move, price not consolidating, so that's the best thing. Just need a small setup to be formed. This candle closed without a top wick. It's 50-50 on the body and candle itself. Body's a little bit bigger, so we should continue moving down to fill the wick and then come back up, create resistance, and then continue moving. GJ wise, I'm not really looking at GJ. It's been really ugly. There were some sells in the London session. So let's see. In my opinion, it's still above like a resistance zone, so a support zone. I mean, what you could maybe look for is price to go up towards the 650 level, between the 600 650 level, 675 level, create a resistance and maybe retest the lows. But to be honest with you, I'm not really trying to get involved in GJ too much anymore. Yeah, I think that might be the best idea. Let's see. Music volume is too low. You think so? Should I turn it up? For me, it's already pretty loud. In London, this was good. I think it should be louder now. Is it better now?
Perfect on the Zoom.
Yeah, for me, it's good as well. It's not too loud. Good enough? Say yes if it's good enough. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yes.
Yeah, man, all good.
Okay. Don't want to have the music too loud. Yeah, it's low there. Oh, maybe yeah. How about now?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Yo, what's up, man? Baba
Yo, yo.
boy, how are you, man?
Good, good. Very tired, actually. Was a long London session.
Yeah,
Not really, but
they made some good profit.
yeah, worked hard. That's why I'm tired. I don't know.
Hey, man, last week everyone doubted you on your gold sells, and look where we at now. Yeah, yeah, man. Also, this morning, same thing happened again. And where are we at now? Bottom.
Oh, really? Were they also hating this morning, people?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
And then they started like, oh, but you didn't call out the second one. What do you think, man? When you start barking, and then once the dog starts trying to bite you and bark, you're not gonna feed it again, right? Doesn't
No.
make sense. Look, he's sounding angry to everything right. No, I'm all good, man. It's just that little pain in my neck, like the entire night. I didn't sleep well because yesterday afternoon I just made a wrong move, and then yeah, my neck just
Snapped off.
snapped.
Morning, boys.
Good morning,
Hey,
good morning,
morning.
man. How are you, man?
Good. Just woke
Perfect.
up. It's early.
Nice, nice. Ooh, we got a lot of cameras out. Damn. Man like Koala with his shirt off.
Don't put me on I'm about to say, don't put me on the YouTube.
I'll put this a
I'm
little
just
low.
chilling. It's hot as hell.
Damn. There we go.
Tell me about it. 28 degrees in UK, bro.
It's 25.
It's about
I'm sweating.
running up 25, 26 right here.
Oh, it's good, man. I love between 20, 25 is best. The best. Oh, now we need to go lower again.
Look, somebody in the gulag says your neck pain comes from the neck dance.
Yeah, probably. Oh, shit. Everyone is... Let me do this real quick. Add a pin. Add a pin. Add a pin. There we go. Oh, wait.
Don't pin me. I just saw
No, no,
myself on the YouTube,
I
man.
like Cody's on the top. Wait, what? Add pin. Why is that? What? I don't understand. Add pin. Oh, wait. Hold up. This is... Add pin. Why is...
Unpin everybody and then repin yourself.
Yeah, I did.
Looking for anything special this New York? I don't think much is. Charts look a little weird on gold. It's just the 4 hours is going down. That's all.
Yeah. Let's do this then. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for. That's okay. I can't, Cody. I can't pin you because if I pin you, you get all the way to the top and all things get messed up. Yeah, it's hot, man. Like Antarctica is about to melt straight away. Yeah, this is good. Price making a level right now. Then we need to start making a resistance, break that level, and continue moving down. I think that's going to be one of the best options. $8 degrees. What? How? Degrees are Fahrenheit. This is degrees, man. Celsius. It's like here it's now 25. I think it can't. Hold up, what's going on? No. Yeah. Oh, here's it's Fahrenheit. No, it's not. They're lying. Oh wait, here you go. Yeah. No, it's just England. I'm not in England. I don't know where the hell that is, Netherlands. Here. 25 degrees. Down, boy. Way too hot.
Man, gold be giving out nice opportunities at 12:30.
Yeah, let's see.
But
And the problem was that it was right above this wick, right? And above this level right here to the left. So I was like, yeah, let's wait until we fully break and close above this level. Then create a small target, create a resistance and break the target, and then continue moving down to 45. I think that might be the best opportunity.
Yeah, I'm not looking to execute anything this New York. I might go take a nap for a little bit and then go study some things.
What do you do in between the sessions?
Me?
Yeah.
I studied some things.
Oh yeah,
study a little bit of programming, little JavaScript things here and there.
Man's soon making his own indicator.
The Forex indicator, yeah. I'll look into it.
Nah, that's good, man. Just keep on working. It's most important.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you tell me where I can get the music that you're playing right now? YouTube audio library is free. All on YouTube. YouTube audio library. And then I mean, the list is not that big. There's only 19 songs in it because the rest of the songs in the YouTube library are trash. So yeah, it's just all waiting game right now. Got 5 minutes left till this 1 hour to close. We are closing below most of the things, but I rather want this 1 hour to really close below 54.6. I think that would be the best.
Yeah, I got the same plan.
You're looking to sell that thing, aren't you?
Yeah, but I just wanted to see a closure below 54.60 as well. That
Yeah.
30 minutes of support to the left.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
But you know, it might be this point that gold rejects this area and then goes up. So I'm really patient today as well with the
Yeah, that's good though.
pairs. Well, the thing is, I had my trade, so you know,
Yeah.
I don't see any rush to take any other.
True. Yeah, I did trade as well.
Yeah, seen it, well done, man.
Yeah, thank you, man. First trade was a little too early. Second trade was on point.
Yeah. I think that's what we spoke about, right? Where the market came from, came from the resistance again. So I think we have to point that out. And then obviously made sense. He made that little post candle, that tiny support, and then it just, you know, broke the lows and went down.
Yeah, it was a pretty good selling opportunity. That pause candle, once it broke the low, I was like, yeah, it's time to get in. It's very, very nice. Like, why did he want to learn programming if you do trading? It's like, not confident that he... No, it's just he wants to do another thing on the side. He's like, he wants to create more businesses on the side, so...
Damn,
Oh,
people
mate.
take notes of everything you say.
Raccoon token, what's that?
Program is good, man.
Yeah. Like I'm not interested in that subject, but it's really you could make a good company out of that.
It's just another source of income, right?
Yeah.
Why not?
I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
if you look at the
You
big
trade
guys,
in the
it's not
morning.
just trading. If you look at the big guys, it's not just trading. It's a lot of different things.
Yeah, create as many as you can, you know.
Yeah.
Trade in the morning, then do the coding in the afternoon, you know, whatever.
Yeah, because I used to be a coder before, and then I went to trading full time. But now full-time trading is only 3-4 hours a day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I'm
so
like,
what do you do with the rest,
Much
right?
time left.
yeah, I've got too much time on
He
my
doesn't
hands,
have kids
so-
yet, so.
No, but of course, but that's the process, right? That
Yeah.
you want to fill your time with the valuable stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, and I want to enter into real estate as well. So if I can get into programming, then I can easily put down a mortgage on a rental property in Italy. That's the
Yeah,
whole
yeah.
vision.
Sick.
That's what I'm doing here in UK, bro.
Yeah, I heard it's really sick. The gulag takes things way too far.
Do you, do you have your what is it called? Your Italian
Xcode.
no. IPAS.
Passport.
I'm
Pass-
an Italian.
pass. Citizen. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a citizen. I'm an Italian citizen with a residency here in the Netherlands. So
Yeah,
if I
so
were to
in
go,
2 years,
Oh,
he's
okay. Yeah,
he
that's
needs to get the hell out of
He's a
here.
double ganger.
because I try to buy some in Italy too, and I asked for a loan,
Mhm.
and I didn't get it because
Mhm.
first you have to establish a property, you know,
Yeah,
Belgium before you could get a loan for across seas. And I was like, you know what, F you guys, I'll buy one here. I'm back
Yeah,
after
no.
3 years.
and taxes are really beneficial for me as well if I were to buy property in Italy. For some people, if you're outside the country, you need to pay a 9% tax of the total property value if you're an outsider, especially if it's for
Total
an
property
investment.
value.
Yeah. 9%.
Holy shit, that's like,
So-
oh my
Yep.
god.
That's an
That's a
instant
lot.
9% drawdown over there. if you're an
Wow,
outsider.
that is fucked up.
But that's every
Yeah.
year.
No. Once one-time payment.
Oh, it's the
One
same
time.
here in the Netherlands. If you already have a house, you pay 8%. I
Mhm.
think. Like
Yeah,
8,
something like
7,
that.
8% or something. Oh, that's a bummer. Yeah, I'm looking to go to the south of France. 2-3 years.
Yeah, I pay 10% down on my house. So, yeah, so
That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm really looking to.
Well, UK, you have to make a 5% down payment. That's it.
Here,
That's
10,
Only 5?
Here, 10.
Yeah,
10 or
only
something.
5% down payment.
but the houses there are expensive.
Depends on where you are, right?
Yeah, it costs
It
100,
depends
400.
where you are in
like-
the UK.
like-
Okay.
yeah, but
It
I'm
also
looking
really
London
depends on where
because
you are.
that's the most crowded place.
London is
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah, but it's most crowded place, right? You got all the students and everything. So it's either Birmingham or London. But
There you gotta
Birmingham
get,
is
like,
cheaper houses.
Rooms,
So.
and then one room 750, the other room 750, the other room 750.
Yeah,
the
the thing is, you just want to expand as much, do a loft
Yeah.
and everything, increase the price of the house. Yeah, but I just want to buy a shitty one so I can renovate fully.
That's the best.
Buy
man.
low, sell high.
Oh, you can make the profits when buying, right? So buy a shitty one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put straight away on rental once I renovate. So, but yeah, London is the area, I think so. Because
I think if you have
everyone
something in
wants to go
London,
to London.
you will always have it rented out. There's no need for you to ever put it away or sell it.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah,
can hold
100%.
that
Because how
for
many
long.
students come from across the globe?
Millions,
hotspot.
man, millions.
Yeah,
You can rent that out forever. No joke.
yeah. That's where there's always demand for it. So why not create a supply like my dad did?
It's so good. Same in Spain, 10% deposit and 10% to the tax man. Oh shit.
It's been even worse.
Damn. Yeah, GJ is in a little delicate situation. I don't know if it's gonna continue on moving down. I think it did its down move for the day, and now it's like free to do whatever move it wants to do if it wants to go back up or down.
Yeah.
Because the way it's coming back up, seems a little sketchy.
It's just in the range.
just
man.
in the
Yeah,
range.
it's in the range. It's in the range. So
4-hour range.
Hmm.
The
I
thing is,
think
we
if you-
reject the daily
well,
resistance to the T.
voice crack right there. I think yeah, but I think there could be one more retest before going further up. I think I don't know yet because it's delicate right now. But I mean, if this 30 minutes starts closing weaker soon or bearish, then there might be a retest of the low and then continuation moving back up. You know, same with gold.
Yeah, potentially.
You know, with gold, if we start moving back up, there is potential buys coming up. You know. At the moment, we did have a strong 1-hour candle close, so there's nothing for me yet. I want to see a 30-minute candle close below this zone. Next one, close bullish, and then the other one break the low to continue moving further down.
Yeah, took out my runner on GJ like the perfect spot. Retraced after that. Now it's coming back almost to entry.
Does anyone in the Gulag or in the Zoom live in the south of France? Anyone? Yes. Like near the sea.
Man's trying to get the mantra and that in front.
Nah. Oh, there's some.
And how come?
How much does real estate cost in for example, Netherlands?
A lot.
Yeah, it's unfriendly for
Yeah.
investments, I think. Like in my city, you can't flip houses. Like, I'm sure you can rent them out, but if you're here to flip, you can't.
For example, on average.
There's possibilities, but you need some good people.
Like, what's the average cost of the house?
I think it's like 3 something.
Over 300.
Okay.
400.
Same like UK.
Yeah, it's around the same. Around the same.
Yeah.
Well, Augustus,
Not that much
Yes.
different.
how you doing, bud?
I'm good, man. Nice to hear you. You?
Yeah, man. Yeah, no, I've just been quiet for a long while. Just wanted to speak to you about, the property that you were mentioning, yeah? The mortgage that you're applying, are you applying repayment or interest only, bud?
Interest.
Interest only.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Same.
That's the deal, man. That's the deal.
Exactly. Like, I don't understand why people would go for repayment. Because cash flow is better, isn't it? And over time, if you're in 10 years, 25 to 30 years mortgage, the value of the house will increase in the next 30 years. So
Eventually, right?
any capital gains on that property or in that property is ours, and we only pay whatever is remaining, the 90% of what is currently, isn't it?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I agree. Yeah, but the thing is, I'm reading.
If someone can get you the people, because it's all about the people, man. Like
Yeah,
trust. You need the
connections, man.
connections. If you have the connections, you can go ways. Like
What
insane.
you're saying, Augustus, with mortgage advisors, man, they are like your lifeblood, man. Trust.
Yep. And my dad, because he found a guy that sorted for him a couple of houses, and basically, because my dad is doing construction, he's got his own business, and that mortgage advisor offered him to do 1,000 houses in Africa.
Wow. In Africa.
In Africa, yes, bro.
But I think it could move straight away through it because the last scandals that went down were pretty clean. So
Mate, if that mortgage advisor can sort out for Asia, let me know, man. I give him a shout about Asia.
I don't know about that, but Africa, yeah. So basically, that told me that he might sort the mortgage for us as well.
Wow.
Me and my missus.
Wow.
Man's going with
Wait, what
that.
did he do in
Missus-
Africa again? He
Uh,
sold over 1,000 houses.
So basically, he received the funding from government
Uh-huh.
to do 1,000 houses, basically
Oh, wow,
1,000 properties. Yeah,
So he's gonna bring in the mud and the straws and build huts.
Yeah.
Yo, Master P,
Just
man,
kidding. Hey,
Africa
bye.
so developed, man.
They
know,
are
I know,
so
I know.
rich. They
Keep
are
this
so
mud house and
Oh, yeah,
schoolhouse out of your mind, man. They're like so well off, man. Trust.
Oh yeah, 100%. I
It's
know.
just that the capital is not equally distributed. Boy.
That's where
Yeah,
you
true.
get your oil from and shit, boy.
Papa boy.
Better study up.
Yeah, Africa has got so much peace. It's just ridiculous.
It's nice, right?
Anyway, I think I'm gonna head off. I don't see anything that
that's
interests
okay.
me too much for this session, so I'm gonna head off.
Go to
And
sleep, man.
yeah, I'll take a little nap, I think. Yeah, and real quick for the gulag, there's like 600 people watching, only not even 100 likes. Come on, guys, push up those numbers.
Yeah, those are
Rookie
rookie
numbers.
man.
Yeah,
Those are rookie
Yeah.
numbers.
yeah. Tomorrow I'll be on the live. We'll see what we get. And
Yep.
right. Well, take care, guys. I'll head off. Ciao, ciao.
You see, man.
Take it easy.
Have a good one.
Alright, champ.
Yeah, pretty good. 30-minute broke the previous high, but still not convinced in anything. You want to see that 61 break before any buys get into play.
Luke, can you explain the in YouTube chat? You got a question for buy limit or sell limit?
Okay, 1 second. Need to put something in the charger. I don't have
Oh,
no
my
buy and
junior.
sell limits. Are you mad?
No. They asking you, can someone tell me what the buy limit or sell limit is?
Oh, when you have a buy limit,
What they for? Yeah, so you can on the chart. And somebody called you Coleman Jr.
Kuman. Ronald Kuman.
Junior.
Man's soon has the same pockets as him. Man's banking, you know.
Augustus, don't stop
watch
with
out.
the Coleman thing, man.
You know
Hey,
what
I did
happened
this.
yesterday night?
You saw him.
No.
Hey, congrats on Netherlands, man. Damn.
Yeah,
they're
I was on Clubhouse, right? I was on Clubhouse, and then I see Buy. Buy is 24/7 in a room on Clubhouse, right? So I joined the Clubhouse, and I hear people singing. And I come in, and they're like, "You need to sing, man." I'm like, "What? What do you mean?" I had to sing. But this guy 24/7 on the Clubhouse, he enjoying himself right there.
fun, man. You get to rant about anything, bro.
Where was that question at? I don't see the
Yeah, Netherlands did madly yesterday.
So, let's say, right? You have let's annotate this, right? Oh, that was not the right button. Let's say price is coming down, right? Then you have a support right here to the left from a previous level. This is the guide to the buy and sell limits, right? You have a support there to the left. You already maybe moved up, right? You already maybe moved up. You already made like some sort of a. This was maybe a resistance, right? Resistance, and then this was the breakout candle right here, and prices. Oh, that was very, very ugly candles. Let's remove those for a second. Otherwise, it's not that nice. There we go. Okay, let's say we have one support right here, and we're gonna be talking about a buy limit right now, right? Let's say you have this support right here. Price comes up, is in an uptrend, right? Let's say price makes a resistance right here, comes further back up. Oh, let's make this a candle. Fucking hell, I'm blind, man. Price starts breaking out, you know? Right. What is that? I don't want to type in that. So price starts breaking out. Let's do it one more time. Otherwise, I just don't give a shit. Let's do it one more time. Like price break up, price broke, make it a new higher high, right? Once price starts coming back down, you expect price to maybe create support on top of this level. So what a lot of people do is they put a buy limit right here because they expect price to create a support on top of that level, and once that level hits, they expect price not to go full on deeper below this previous higher low. Then they expect price to start moving back up at that time without any confirmation, right? This is all impulsive. Sell limit is vice versa. So if you turn it around, it's going to be the exact same opportunities, same situation, only in sells. So you have maybe let's say you have a support right here. The other one was a resistance then. I would have put that a little bit higher. Some people don't understand that. That's not a buy stop. Because price comes down, touches the level. Once price comes down, touches the level, then you're going to be in a buy again. So it's counter trend. Let's say price is moving down, right? Price is moving down slowly, comes through this resistance after creating a resistance against it, right? Comes through and creates a new lower low, right? People expect sometimes price to come back to the previous resistance level, put a sell limit right here, and once price touches the level, they're going to be into a selling position. You understand that? So price comes back. They expect maybe, this is in structure based, right? They expect price to respect this level. They have most of the times it stops over here, and then they expect price to continue moving back down to retest the low you created right here. But in what pretty much the difference between a buy stop and a buy limit is that a buy stop is with the trend. So let's say price is on the move already. You take a buy stop maybe outside of the break, and with a buy limit, you take a lower time frame counter trend trade to expect price to maybe reject off a certain level. So I hope that was good enough if you understand it. You want to buy below current price and use a buy limit. Yeah. But the thing is, you got to know is that a buy and a sell limit, they could be pretty dangerous, and you need to be a little bit more. You need a little bit more experience for that. Otherwise, it's gonna go fully wrong. I got it now. After this long, okay, perfect, man. No worries. I mean, so some simple things. There's a couple people that don't understand those, and it's good. It's okay. Some people might laugh to that, but not everyone understands that. Yeah, go to babypips.com. Go to babypips.com. No, I see this 30 minutes rejecting a little bit also on the 15-minute time frame. I mean, I think you want this candle pretty much on GJ. Came back to that resistance zone right here. I think you want it to close below this level right here. Then you could maybe build a price down towards this level right here, 416. I think you should be good at that moment. First take profit would be that daily flipping point again. You have 26 seconds left for this candle to close, then wait for the other 15 to close because you want to wait for a 30-minute candle close. And maybe you could get into some sells at that moment. I see prices making some sort of support on gold as well right now. Not enough yet, not deep enough yet for price to start selling. Agdi. That's why you don't use demo accounts. Yeah, perfect, man, Dylan. Thank you, man. Oh, look at this. No bullish close. That's dangerous. No support is created yet, so you want this this 30-minute candle to close bullish, and maybe after that break the lows of 152, like 200. Yeah, we're looking at 152, 245, looking for that to break. Once we break that, I think we could mirror the moves right here down to that level. So let's see. Just this 30-minute needs to just create a support, to be honest with you. Or this one needs to go down and the next one needs to create a support, or based on probabilities. But at the end of the day, guys, remember it's a Monday. Take it easy on a Monday, first day of the week. Let's see. Hmm. Switch up, yeah. I mean, gold's in the move though, so it's okay, but it's now at a delicate zone, you know? Like, this is a zone where you could reject off and you could do anything off it, because the thing is, what you see happening right here, it's like, if you look at the 15, there's some clean movement where you're going down, creating a lower low, lower high, and then you see the movement, right? You see here, the first candle starting to close bearish. You're gonna be looking at the same thing on TzRzetHz. Look, same thing, made a lower low, lower high. Now probably see same thing is happening. But as you can see, if you look on the 15-minute candles, this one's getting strong. This is the pushy candle, right? This is the first candle that's pushing, and your second candle that, you know, filled one target. Next candle's coming down a little bit more, and then you see the candles getting weaker and super weak, breaking some highs. And this one has a higher probability to close bullish, you know. It's all about probabilities right now. And once we start closing bullish, we create a support on the 15 and 30-minute time frame, and then we're gonna maybe be looking for some sells below that 200, 245 level. But I think that would be pretty good idea. Just have to wait. I mean, without patience, you're not gonna go anywhere. So, don't have any patience. Trading is not for you. Bye-bye, capital waiting for getting on TzRzetHz for some swing. Let's take a look, man. Be pretty interesting. Oh my days. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on right here. Yeah, sorry, bro. I don't trade with indicators. I see fibs. See some higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I mean, yeah. I don't know, man. I don't really trade fibs and stuff. So, hey, look, my capital is small, like $100 versus in profits. On my demo, but I lose confidence in real account. Any suggestions? Stop trading demo. Can you look at GA? Sure. Also send me a chart on what you're looking for yourself. Ooh. Okay. I hear what is going on. Do that for a second. Created some sort of a support. I mean, it broke out in London session. Pretty clean break from this level right here. I think what you could do is maybe wait for price to come back up to 896, around that. Wait for a resistance to be formed and try and retest the low at 500 again. 510. 500, 510. I think that's going to be one of the best options. I mean, you could take a counter trend trade back up, right? That's a thing. You could do that. But how clean is that move going to be? Yeah, maybe you're going to mirror those two candles, but I think you'd rather go with that trend a little bit, right? I mean, at the end of the day, still 4 hours are not really closing below each other, so there's still some bullish momentum in the market. So the buyers, for some buyers, this 1 hour candle close is a very good close. Like if you look also on the screen, prices right now, you know, creating that, this is the low, lower, higher low, a higher low. So it's still creating those higher highs, higher lows. And the only thing what happened is for the higher highs that this candle did make the higher high, right? But this one failed to create the higher high. So you want to look out with that for a second. But I think I think buying back up to this range is sensible. Just wait for maybe the 30-minute support resistance to be broken, and then you could fill back up to this zone. And after that, I would maybe look for sells back down again to retest the low, and maybe after that we'll continue moving back up again to create a new higher high. On the 30-minute time frame, I think we closed. Yeah, we're at that zone. I mean, it's delicate right now. I think if you have this 30-minute candle close bearish like this, and the next one close above, then you could definitely buy up towards 900 again. Look for yourself how big the range was. I think after that you should be good. Let's take a look at this chart as well. Look. Yeah, you need to put a little bit more information in, man. Like, I see 2 lines that, yeah, delicate, man. You need to put some more information. Like, I can't read your mind. So, point out what you're looking for. I mean, I see money starting right here, so I guess you want to sell inside this zone, but what's the title of the background music? It's called Dynamite by Patrick Patrikios. Look, how many you recommend on the watch list? I don't recommend you only to look at two pairs. I recommend you to start just with one, master the one pair, and then go to the second pair again, and try and trade 2 pairs. But first, just master one pair. That's the most important right now. Master that pair and see where you can go with that pair. And don't give up, right? Don't give up on the pair itself. Like on GJ, I didn't give up, but for me right now, the way it's moving, I'd rather wait another month maybe, or a couple weeks for price to really settle down and start moving again, because prices, like, all these moves look pretty big, right? All these candles look pretty big, but at the end of the day, if you start counting, right, from this candle, this 30-minute candle, it was a 27 pip move, in 30 minutes, and that's okay. It's okay, but at the end of the day, if you look at all the other candles, zoom in on 15, all the candles are small, not a lot of movement. If you compare that to gold as an example, right, it moves 10 times better, like 10 times better. If I put the same time frame, 50-minute time frame, like this out on the screen on gold, it looks 10 times bigger, and because it might be the same, but it's 10 times bigger, But the same thing here on gold, the moves, it's not gold. We go to gold. It might look a lot smaller, but all those moves are as big as that one 30-minute candle on GJ. Yeah. So I rather wanna trade gold right now until GJ starts moving again. Because how many times do you see these 30-minute candles right here? You see one here, and you see one here. This is all full on consolidation right here. Moves right here aren't that clean as well. So, and then for some reason it breaks out sometimes, but the way it moves is still not to my liking right now. So I rather stay out for the time being. I mean, it's pretty good what it's doing right now, because if this 15 closes bullish, right, small weak bullish, and the next one breaks the low, you could continue moving down again. So has to be in your plan, right? Guys, send in your chart first. Let me take a look at the chart, so I can see your lines, and then look what I would improve on your lines and why I would improve it. Just send in the chart, and then I'll take a look at it, man. I think that's this doji type candle on support. But it's pretty good, man. I mean, session, if it works for you and you've seen it happen over and over again, nobody can tell you shit, right? I mean, if it works for you and you've seen the pattern, like the same with me, I've seen the pattern with the top wicks, right? It happen over and over and over again, and I could just act up on it, you know? But that's important. You've seen something happening, you executed on it, you took profit from it. Now just take a look, how many times is that same thing gonna happen, and how many times does it work, and how many times does it fail? Rages, congrats on the 10k sub. Thank you, man. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. 700 people in, only 180 likes. Come on, the rookie numbers. Joking. What do you think about this situation, Augustus? Maybe still in there. Yeah, probably doing some stuff. Stuff from Pakistan. I'll be back, man. Do we check DXY? No, I don't think you have to. I'm so new to this. Using MT4 on cell phone, quite difficult to draw lines, and I don't understand what that's exactly to look for. Go to babypips.com, delete your MT4 off your phone, and learn first what trading itself is, because now you're just gambling right now, man. Next to that, get a laptop or download Tradingview on your phone, because you can download Tradingview on your phone as well, and create supports and resistances and stuff on that. Artem, hi, I'm very impressed with the way you trade. Ask you something. How can I be added to the Zoom group and the Forex family? Go to marketfluidity.com. If price breaks below the current support, are we selling gold? First of all, there's no we, but second of all, I'd rather want to wait for one bullish candle to form. The problem right now is that we didn't really create a support yet. On the 5 minute, yeah, we did, but that's I want to see a 15 or 30 minute support, because otherwise you're going to be selling the low, right? That's what we had. The first trade in of the day was selling the low. There was still probability 100%, but that's only like 50-50. So what's 50-50? 50-50 is gambling. So that was not the best trade. But after that, took a second opportunity after support formed. That was not the low anymore. No. So I think look, I will do more research. Really good work. Perfect, man. Perfect. You know, you need to start somewhere. I understand a lot of people that are coming from the start that they don't understand what's exactly going on yet. So you need to start somewhere. Had to make a quick one for the gram, you know. Yeah, I want to see this 15 closed bullish, or the next one at least. 30-minute candle closed, doji. So this means that volume is just dying down right now. It's just dying down. Guys, don't try and jump into anything. Wait for the support to form, and then we're gonna look on how we could act up on it once price starts going down again. Hey, look, I am new to trading. How do you journal your trades? Is it Trixie? I used Trixie before. Right now I just journal my trades on MetaTrader and put it into a folder. So yeah. Yesterday. Yesterday. Oh man, it's hot. This is shit. Don't jump into anything. Oh shit. Okay. 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 I'm not gonna say anything. Let you do your thing. Be careful though, but If it makes sense to you, the thing is, if it makes sense to you, I shouldn't be able to tell you shit, right? So don't just listen to me, listen to your own analysis. Like, if it makes sense to you, if the entire trade makes sense, take it, and after that, if it didn't make sense, try and look on why it didn't make sense, you know? Don't try, you know, everyone has a different plan. Your plan is going to be different than my plan. I know for a fact, you know? So yeah. Here yesterday, Mr. Kuman Jr. walked away. Okay, never mind. Yeah, let's see. This candle just needs to close bullish and then maybe close below, and we try and pass down to that 52 level and break it. But depends. I think it's a pretty strong wick, so I think it's on the daily time frame. Yeah, daily wick. We need to really break below that until we're gonna, you know, fall down. So I don't really want to take one inside this zone. So this zone is pretty much a no trade range for me. Maybe a no trade range for me. It depends on how we close. And then really put this line right here on the bottom, 218, break that, and then we could continue moving back down towards that 45 level. That's the previous daily resistance zone. It's a little lower, like 43, but I'm looking for 45 because it's a safe target. And then this zone will be the trade, the zone we will trade in. Do you think we are going to reverse? I don't know, bro. It's all on what price is going to do right now. Like, we're only going to reverse if we start breaking above 61 again and closing above 61. You know, 61.3, 61.6, around that. And then we're going to fill this range up, and then we might continue moving back up. But let's see. We might keep on continuing down. What also could happen is that we go up towards 66, and then we start creating a resistance against 68, right? Against 68, and then, you know, come back down again, retest the low, and continue moving down. Because we haven't retested certain levels yet, like this level. There's still a high probability of retesting that level. Also, if you look on the 1 hour time frames, like, every time you're going to be selling right now, you're going to be selling the low. So maybe wait for some sort of a retracement. And who is that microphone on? Come on, Brian. So maybe wait for a little retrace. I mean, gold can fall for a long time, but there's always going to be a retrace. When that retrace is going to happen, you don't know. But if you start counting from the top, right? Like, there hasn't been a big retrace, what I'm talking about. Like, if you start counting from the top where we wanted to sell off, where we did the sell off from, 1901, where people were still looking for buys, just keep on saying it. we dropped down around, you know, 480 pips. So yeah, we had a couple of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high right here, lower low, lower high. This would be maybe a new lower low, but you already see that the candles are getting weaker, right? I talked about this before. You see strong candles coming down here, strong candles coming down, a little weaken up because it's dead outside the hours. Candles in Asian session start gaining momentum again, and then here we are in the previous Asians. At the end of the Asian session, at the close, you see the candles getting weaker. Then we did have some movement at Frankfurt Open, London Open. We did have some movement, and now look at these two past candles at 10 o'clock and here 11 o'clock till 12 o'clock. No momentum. Price died down, right? This candle closed pretty strong. This candle pretty much retested, so this could be a retest to continue moving further down, but there's not been like a big retest back up. So let's see if we start closing below or breaking below that 152 to 218 level, then I'm going to be looking for sells anyways, but it might not be the best move that you want to see, right? I prefer just to wait for a 15-minute candle to close, because if you look at the 15, we're just ranging right now. What's your favorite ice cream? Kinder Bueno ice cream. That's some good shit, man. Kinder Bueno ice cream or a split. I like splits, especially in the summer, man. I might even grab one in a second if you're not already. No, not like the horns, but like real ice that they make. You know, they have the ice and then they put the Kinder Bueno through it, and that's the best thing. It's strong. Injection wick on gold as well. Yeah, that's what I'm looking out for. Advice for a beginner trader: go to babypips.com. Do you have a link for the playlist? No, but I can put. No, this is gonna go wrong. Okay, let me do this anyways. You need to find it out yourself. But here you go. Entire message. I don't know who that is. Hans. I think he's a Dutch guy. I think there's a lot of songs in here, so look it out for yourself. There's too much. This message is massive. Oh shit. I think after every June 2021, December 2020, that's a song. So this is a song. Oh no, wait. This is a song. And then you have Just Dance. This is a song. And then this is a song. Yo, look it up for yourself, man. But that's all in my YouTube library. I can't really share that. Like it's there's no share button to share it. So I can make a picture of it, but let me put it on. I mean, it makes sense if we start creating support, but for buys, but I do want to see that 61 being broken because that's structure at the end of the day, right? When structure is being broken, then we can continue moving up.
Unless your name's Guala.
Oh, let me... I'm not German, man. Relax. I'm not German. People think I'm German. No, I'm not German. Relax. Man from the ends. No. I'm not like Augustus. Where is he? Man like Augustus. Oh, you need to be fast. The Zoom is pretty much full, so jump in if you can. Sorry for the WhatsApp noise, but no, it's gone. Luke always has the sickest speeds playing. You know that vibe. We search them and we drop them. Nothing wrong with it, man. I like Jero. Can you please have a look at this chart? Sure, man. I'll take a look for you. I want this 30-minute to close bullish, man. Just getting weak.
Hey, what's going on?
Yo, what's up, man? How are you, man?
I'm great, thank you.
Perfect.
Kind of in a naughty mood, as you realized in the gulag, asking silly questions.
What's your favorite ice cream? I'm like, I mean, this makes sense. AD-CAD. There's a lot of levels here to the left, though. Like, this is not going to be a clean move. Before break and retest, create support on this level. Yeah, probably gonna, retest the highs. It makes sense, but you need to look out for yourself. Like, this is in a 4-hour time frame, right? How long will this take to play out? Like, how many candles are gonna be before you're gonna be able to take a buy, right? Because you first want to see price break up. It's gonna be one candle, second candle. If this is all gonna happen in 2 candles, right? You never know. There's gonna be 8 hours of time right there. Come back down. Come back down, come back down, maybe 3 candles coming down. That's going to be another couple hours, 12 hours or something. And then you're going to be having like probably a bullish candle before you're gonna buy. So count up for yourself. How many hours is this gonna be until this trade is gonna work out? And you know, is it gonna make sense at that time to wait so long for a trade to work out? Doesn't make sense, right? So I mean, it makes sense if you're swing traded, but you're gonna be waiting a day for a trade to happen. Luke, I see that gold is oversold. Do you think we might get a pullback? Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback as well, like a big pullback. But I might think we might pull back towards 1868. That's gonna be that 4-hour level right here first, before we're gonna continue even moving further up. And if we start creating a resistance against 68, we could retest the low and continue even moving further down. But if we start creating a support on the lower time frames and we start closing or breaking below 152.218, I'm gonna be looking for sells. No, I'm not saying I'm jumping directly into sells. I'm gonna be looking for sells. So the level hits, that's not gonna directly mean that I'm in. Hi Luke, can you see? Yeah, I can take a look for you. Let's take a look at your chart, man. I mean, at the end of this, price action is the same on the 4-hour than it's going to be most of the time on the lower time frame, but it's going to just take a lot longer for you, man. Sales below. I mean, you could already try and retest the low. I mean, it's 30-minute time frame. Price closed with you against the previous support zone right here. So I think you could even retest the lows, but I think that's a little too late right now. Gold, delicate situation. It didn't really break the low, respected the previous low. So I would really be careful right now. It had to break the low. If you can see, it respected, so there was no entry yet. Even though it closed bearish, it closed weak and it closed above this zone, right? What we talked about in the beginning. So if you wanted to be in the sells, you could have taken it below this low, but it never broke. So hopefully no one took it. Kind of load up. Oh shit. Oh man. I understand it. It makes a lot of sense. Look, can you explain? I don't know, man. Major trade on the US 30. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wrong. Myself. There we go.
Daniel, stop trolling me, buddy. Daniel's trolling me in the chat.
I see it. Look out with that. I mean, pretty savage, man. I think this was a break-even trigger, but very nice, man. Very nice. We almost have 800 people here. If all of us buy gold, we push the market up. No, that's not how it works, man. We're nothing. We're just small grain of a million of sand corals, man. We're nothing, man. Price not gonna even move by a pip. Trust. Are you mad? Just screaming by it. Yeah, it's rejecting and respecting the previous lows, so it's pretty good. I would wait for a close above 152.750 though. Where can I find MT6? Bro, I think it doesn't even exist. MT5 is not fast as I want. I think you mean MT4 and MT5, but
You should to develop it.
what?
You should to develop the MT6. There's no MT6, man.
I don't know, man. I don't need it anyways. Why would I need it? Pretty much. UK pips. Hey, look, are you only doing live streams like this until Rakil's back? Yes, sir. I already do live streams in the London session, so FX today's Scheveningen. Look, oh, maybe, man, but way too busy there, man. My ex-girlfriend is there to go.
Scheveningen, papa. Scheveningen, papa.
Man, like Christopher heard it. Yeah, it is what it is. Delicate situation sometimes. You been there, Koala?
Bro, I'm there all the damn time. When it's hot, only thing you see is brunettes. I'm there a lot. I was actually thinking about going Wednesday, because Wednesday
really?
is like 32 degrees. Yeah,
Why
bro.
didn't you come to me, man? I live at the C2, like 5 minutes.
Real?
Yeah, no joke.
If I'm there, I'll text you.
Sure thing.
I'll be there sipping on something, enjoying the sun after a nice morning of trading.
It's a far drive for you. How long is it driving, man? Like 2 hours?
2 hours. It's not bad, you know. When you're with cool peeps, 2 hours flies by, you know.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Hey, look, can you speak German as well a little bit? No, man.
Oh, shit.
I can't speak German. Andreas, around 6 months, around that, 5-6 months. Dutchie in Bali here. Oh shit. Oh damn. What you doing there, bro? Shit. Man's living the life. Man's living the life. So are you in a buy right now? No, I'm not in a buy. No, just because price is creating a support. These little levels are on point again though, bro. Look at this, man. Insane. Levels are different. Yes. I really need to wait for structure to break to continue up with buys. Like range-wise, buys is going to be a very good idea, but structure-wise, not yet. Oh. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. I like this stream. Nice, thank you. What is your favorite time frame and pair? Gold, 5 minute. It's low, but 5 minute, maybe 30 minute. Between that on gold. GJ 30 minute and time frame. 30 minute time frame on GJ is the best. 1 hour and 30 minute, my opinion. I mean, on 5 minute you could see entries on GJ as well, but most of the time it doesn't move like gold on the 5 minute. Let's take a look. Send in the chart, man, Victor. Send in the chart so I can understand what you're saying, then I'm gonna take a look at it. How long have you guys been trading together on Zoom? Well, we normally trade London session, so there's sometimes different people in, but we've been trading since on Zoom since February, I think. No, just before. Yeah. January, February, around that. February, I think. Your USD, please send in a chart. If you want me to look at a certain pair, first send in a chart so I can understand what you're looking at yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you something and I don't understand what you're exactly looking for. You're saying that, yeah, it depends. Like, it's not smart to do. I mean, what we could also anticipate, right? This is a pretty far-fetched idea, but once we start closing bearish, right, below the zone, and we start breaking back up again, breaking highs, then we could fill the range to 60 and maybe up towards 66 as well. Mr. Koopman Jr., you have good music tape. Okay, now that's gonna stay in there forever, isn't it? How much you paid for a logo? 50 bucks. What is the name of the indicator to close partial positions on MT5? Do you guys know that? Christopher, you know the indicator to close partial positions on MT5? You want to see it? This is the indicator. It's magic keys, man.
Come on.
Magic keys.
EYES.
You can't close them on MT5 without having magic keys partials. You just gotta right click over your volume and then go to modify.
There's no like PTP, right? Partial take profit. It's only with magic keys. I mean, I think there's a couple programs out there, but I don't know about the names or don't know nothing about them.
Well, my finger clicks partial once I hit.
That's
partial.
the indicator, you know. Let's see. I think let's go to. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be good news again. Every time when I'm not there, there's gonna be good news. Master P is doing tomorrow's stream again. For the people that like Master P is doing it again on this channel. I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good week, pretty move. Tomorrow we're gonna move a lot, like retail sales, PPI. Sheesh. Price gonna move. I mean, if this 30-minute candle starts closing still below that level on gold, and you start closing bearish a little bit with this 1 hour candle, at the break of the low, you could anticipate probably take some sells from 430, 435 towards like 430. I mean 630 towards like 435. I think that should be pretty good. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 11K at the end of this week. Do this every single day of the week. I know, especially in New York sessions as well, every single day. So it's a lot of fun. There's a better version. I don't know.
So basically, you trade from London to New York close?
No, I right now because Ricky was gone and I'm providing the sessions. I trade London session around 2.5 hours, around that. I have a break in between of around 3 hours, around that. 2.5 hours today, and then trade New York session for around 2.5 hours again. But it's only for the time being, right? Once Raquel comes back, I'm gonna be staying with my London sessions again. Can you invite Ted to join the stream? He's probably busy with some other stuff. You can try.
Hey, look, what time is your London session at?
For me, it's 7:30 start.
Yeah.
So that's CET, I think. It's 6:30 GMT
for us.
English
Yeah.
time.
6:30.
Yeah, around that.
Okay, I'm gonna start tuning in with you.
Yeah, perfect, man.
That time.
You're welcome.
Yeah, me too.
Always. Ooh.
It's at like 3 a.m. for me.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Sometimes I can sleep.
Yeah, you do need to, you know, not stay behind the charts for too long, right?
True.
So I suggest you to maybe just come in at London Open. You know, there's going to be 9 CHT, and then there's going to be like 8 o'clock GMT, so UK time. So then it's really London Open. Volume starts pushing in. Like most of the time, 1.5 hours before, you don't really have a lot of volume, right? So from the London Open, we have like 1.5 hours of volume in. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, ready. Look, my friend. Sebby, I know what that means, man. I know what that means. But happy birthday. I think you're joking because that's a different word in a different language. Oh shit, I just closed the live stream, I think. Oh no, we're still good. I think that's Moroccan, right? Okay, delicate situation on GG right now. We got 1 minute left for this candle to close, but seems like we're breaking up. Sells are gonna be pretty hard right now. Gold as well, delicate situation. I mean, you made a resistance on the 15-minute time frame, but look at the wicks you're trying to sell into, right? That's not nice. Yeah, oh, Arabic, yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I knew it. But it's spelled like this, right? If you want to type it, I think it's like this. Or is it without the H? Do you take any trades before the stream? Yeah, I took 2 trades. You're a good one. Yeah, I know it. I know it. Trust. I know a lot. Yeah, it's without a H. Okay, okay. Note for next time. Try and play me. DJ pumping. Yeah. It's going up without a bottom wick right now, though. Going up without a bottom wick. Delicate, man. I mean, yeah, it's delicate. It made a support above the support zone. It closed above, so I think the only problem is that it's going up right now without a bottom wick. So you could go move up towards the top of the range, but I'd rather still look for a little bit of sells. But I'm not really looking forward to really get into GG. Victor, you're sending in the wrong chart. I already can see it. What you need to do, you're sending in this part of the chart. Don't send that. Go here to the camera icon where my mouse is. You see this where my mouse is? Click on the camera icon, right? And you have this link right here. You go to the right side of the link. Then you have this small part of this link. Like from /ax/ that part, you copy paste. And then put it into the chat. Don't put in the whole link because I can't see the entire link. Understand? Perfect.
Gold just disrespected everyone trying to buy it.
It is what it is, man. That's the
Jesus.
thing with counter trend. Yeah, this is breaking down. Coming down to the level where I want to sell off, but I don't know if I want to sell it yet. I mean, delicate right now. Again, you're going to be below, right? And your stop loss is going to be around 20 pips, right? I mean, 45 should be the target once we start breaking this low. I don't know if I want to do this on a Monday, you know. That's the only question I have in my mind right now. Monday, one impulsive. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for maybe a 15-minute or 5-minute support to form. Because at the end of the day, look at the 30-minute time frame. We still don't have a 30-minute candle, you know, closing bullish, small bullish, to create a new support and resistance at the same time. So we're coming down to the level. I mean, if we fully break 218, there we should be inside this range then. And don't worry, guys. If you see the price move very fast and you're not in, don't worry, because price is gonna, you know, create that support for you. And then wait for the resistance. It's gonna make a target for you. I mean, I said support. It's gonna make a target for you to retest, you know. What is that? Look. What are you doing, man? You're doing some weird shit. Come on.
My homies texting me.
I know. Probably because of delicate situation. I know the delicate situation, but keep it respectful.
For me?
Oh yeah, it's just a joke. I thought you were talking about something else.
I said my homie's texting me.
Okay. That's all good, man. You can talk. Who's that? I don't see the name. Like, people are tagging some. Oh, here. Oh, I see. Ah. You could climb up to 155, 156 area short term. Yeah, I was looking at that as well, because at the end of the day, we're still respecting the lows, right? Still respected this level right here. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, we're still above this previous level. So let's see. Like, we get in full on sells at 153.8, around that. We're below this level. Then we get into full on sells, clean range down towards this level right here, 152, 100. But right now, I think buys are going to be a good option at the end of the day still. Going up to 155 could be an option. But I don't know how clean the move is going to be. The thing is, just for me right now, this is ugly, man. I mean, there's opportunities 100%, but overall it's just very, very ugly. I don't know if I want to, you know, be in that situation every single time on GJ, because lately the movement on GJ is just not the way you want it to move, right? Bro, you didn't told us. I'm not in a trade, man. I'm in no trade. There's no trade I'm in right now. I'm not taking a trade right now. I'm being careful. I want to see support formed, and if I see support formed on gold and a break of the lows, then I'm going to be looking for a trade. How many trades you took today? 2. I'm looking for a third one. I got that 9 pips on gold. Secure profits, very nice. Good job, man. I rather want to see this candle close below. I just want to see a 15-minute candle right now at this zone close bullish, or a 30-minute candle. Like, because this candle didn't really close inside this zone, right? So close in between this small area where price could reject off. What's the name of this beat, Luke? It's called Full Moon Empty House by Trevor Garrod. I need to start be a DJ soon, man. Asking about the music 24/7. Appreciate your explanation, thank you. Yeah, no problem, man. Wait. What? You know whose birthday it is? Donald Trump. For real. So that... Yeah, he's not gonna move the markets anyways anymore. Yes. Yeah, pretty much. What do you think of future chart right here? Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Oh, this is the one from this morning, right? Man's still in, I think. I think there's a different one. Man, like MA makes very good charts. I like it, man. Very, very good. Now, what's the exact entry point? Because the line starts right here, and I don't know what's the exact entry point. You know, close. Okay, full position. Oh yeah. I maybe go to the 15 next time to have a little bit more detail. So I can see what your entry was, and maybe put this line next time. So the line right here, put that on the entry point. I think it's maybe right here, but delicate because this one is further to the left. You know, so. Boom's coming down slowly. Well, slowly. It's already down 10 pips. I mean, if you want to be risky, you could have taken that sell, but for me, I want to take it easy a little bit. When it rebroke that low, that was 100% the probability. I saw that, but want to be careful, you know. Just want to be careful. 5 minute, if you look on the 5 minute went down without a top wick, and there is still also a probability for price to create a top wick. I think the entry point was labeled violent. What do you mean, man? No idea what you mean. Beat vibes. Yeah, 100% Dennis. Yeah, quick 30 second 10 pip, but yeah, I wouldn't jumped in for myself. There's no such top wick when there's volume. I mean, overall, right now, I don't know, man. This is volume. For me, this is volume. Right now, we just came out a little bit of consolidation, so there is no full-on volume right now, man. I mean, yeah, we're dropping right now, but that doesn't mean that we're going ham, you know. And for me, there is top wicks. Maybe it's not in your plan, but for my plan, there are top wick musts most of the time. I just want to see the correct setup form before I'm gonna jump in or anything. Why do you need a top wick? Because most candles, most of the times have top wick, and what you see sometimes happening, right? That's what the trade we took here on the 1 hour time frame here on gold once you started breaking out of this zone, right? From all the way from the top, price started going up without a top wick, and there's also a high probability for price to create a bottom wick before continue moving further up. So once price goes up without a top wick, right? and price starts breaking levels or just starts going down, doesn't matter where the fuck it goes, you know. But at that moment, but at the moment, price is gonna come back down. Price probably going to reverse, you know, once price goes down without a top wick and starts breaking its own high again. But rather, there's just a lower probability for price to continue moving. That's the answer to the question. But so I'd rather wait for a top wick to form first before getting into a trade. To be honest with you. I mean, what you could do also as well is just wait for this 5 minute, you know, create a resistance against that 54 level or 52 level in between that zone, close bearish, and then take entries at 50 once price starts breaking 50 again. Are you guys full-time traders? Yes. You always need a top wick to enter? Not always. Not always. Not always. But for me, this wasn't an entry as well anyways. I was waiting for a 30-minute support to form or a 15-minute support at this zone. Can you show and explain the best setup for you? Like a real example. What time frame? Well, that just depends on market structure. Like, I can tell you the best setup I look for, but it's all based on market structure at that time. Like, the other times, the other structure works, the other setup works the best, and you know, depends. Like for me personally, on gold, I love retests. Like retest. Like this is the easiest trade on gold. Recule takes it a lot as well. Like just come down. Let's say price is coming down, coming through this zone, coming down, and creates a low right here. Right. Give all these candles a little bit of a wick, so explanation is on point. You understand what's going on. A little bit more detail. Price comes back up, right? This is a previous support zone. Price comes back up, has created. Oh, why does it want to type in there? Has created sort of a new lower low to fill. Price comes back up to the resistance, starts creating a okay now. Price comes back up to the previous support and starts creating a resistance against the previous support, and once price starts closing bearish again, there's going to be your perfect entry to retest the low right here. And at that moment, I want to see price have top wicks and bottom wicks. You know the vibe, you know the drill, what I'm looking for. So, and then this is going to be my entry right there. This is going to be that retest of the low again. So yeah. You think Forex is easier than crypto or stocks? No, it's just price action at the same time, but moves sort of the same, but there's just different fundamental things that are influencing it. In what time frame? Doesn't matter, man. All time frame this works. But I would prefer this to see on a 30-minute time frame than margin sells. If I see that setup, you know what's going on. Why do you wait for a top wick on a 5-minute when a 30-minute already has 30-minute stronger confirmation? 5 minute. You guys, we're breaking out on the 5-minute time frame right now. 30-minute candle hasn't closed below yet, like fully below in the best way possible. I mean, you have a candle close below, but not the way I want it to close below. You have this zone, that 52 zone, this zone right here. You want to see 30-minute candle close below here before you're gonna take those impulsive entries. Yeah, you can if you're risky, you know. And at the end of the day, this candle respected all the lows of the previous candles, and look how weak this candle is. Is it a strong candle? No, it's not a strong candle. So, do all you want. For me, it's not in my plan. It might be in your plan. But here, you take a look at my gold chart. Yeah, sure, man. So I'm gonna start speaking. Just you gotta understand that everyone has a different plan, right? So you might look at something different than I do. Yeah, it's very nice as well. Man, you're killing it, Mr. MA. You're killing it. Subscribe to lk.london. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. It's very nice setup, man. Very nice. Like, what's the reason why you buy on those? Why you sell on the bullish candles? Like, pretty much what? Because it's retesting only, or what's the reason? So it's breaking the low again. Yeah, it was a pretty good setup right here on gold. For me, still, I want to see that closure of a one bullish candle before getting in. I mean, it's on the move, so you can sell whenever you want, but it's a Monday. So I'd rather take it a little bit easier on a Monday. What bullish candle can only mean buy? No, you're missing the move. Look, I don't really give a shit, to be honest with you, man. I'm just waiting for a bullish candle to create a support and then create a fresh resistance to sell off from. And next to that, if it's not in your plan, you're not missing out, man.
I actually don't think there is something like missing out on the move, because we cannot treat every trade like it's the last trade in the world for today. Yeah.
Oh, that's a full-on thought process right there. Yeah, but the thing is, if the trade is not in your plan, like you're not full-on missing out on a trade, you can see next time how you could have entered the trade. But I've seen it happen over and over again, and for me, I don't want to do that trade on the Monday, right? I explained that before already. I said below 218 is going to be impulsive sells, but I do not want to, you know, get in at that time, even though I see sells in that moment because of clean traffic to the left. And at that moment, you're not missing out. You're just deciding for yourself to just, you know, call it one. Could you describe which days for what? That's all market structure, Andy. That doesn't make sense. You're going to see moves at the beginning of the week where price is going to set a trend or whatever, but you can't say, oh, Monday sell or whatever, or Tuesday buy, or that doesn't make sense, man. Look for a break of previous low and then wait for a quick retest. Stops on the previous high. Yeah, it makes very a lot of sense, man. Very good MA. Let's take a look at this chart. Ooh, looks like a wrong chart. Try it one more time. Yeah, wrong chart. Learning on the side. Really weird language. Oh no, I wanna get out of here. I'm gonna start the week strong. Being green, which will give you confidence for that. So yeah, not just that. You don't wanna, you know, go ham straight away on a Monday, right? Go full on impulsive, try and get everything out of the markets. And you gotta understand that I already made 2 trades, so I'm waiting for like a good setup to form. Or I'm just gonna jump into something, you know. Yeah. Was this something you could have executed on? Let's take a look at your chart. Finally secured gold, very nice. Yeah, that thing is dropping. Very nice. Like, the most important thing in these situations is, right, you might not be in, but you know that what you're looking at works, right? Even though you're not in. This candle did what other candles could not. Goes below support. the top break and broke the low the previous 50-minute candle. Yeah, at the end of the day, what I said before, it makes sense. For me, I wouldn't have not sold at that moment yet. I think I would have waited, because your entry is pretty much, what is it? Yeah, 153.40. I would have still waited for 152.218 to break. Go back to the beginning of the stream, I said it. Once you start breaking the level, you could continue moving further down with impulsive entries. Not taking in myself. Rather, I want to wait for that resistance, pull back right now on the 5-minute time frame, and then create a resistance and then start selling. The thing is, I just want to see support being formed before I'm going to sell. And a lot of people don't understand that, but you know, once you gain some experience, you understand why. Because otherwise, you're going to be selling the low constantly. You don't want to be selling the low constantly, right? Like if price already moved a long way down, you're not going to sell at the bottom, right? Doesn't make sense. I'm still holding gold from Friday. You're a G if you did that. My like Thomas. Remember Thomas when people roasted me for saying sells. You're a G if you held that. Ooh. Looking good. Coming back up. We're coming close to 10.3k subscribers, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We're flying. Our goal for next month is next month till the end of next month, 15k. What about that? No more. I think Masterpiece at 20, but 15k is a target we could possibly hit. So at the end of the year, we will be flying 100%. If you don't mind, how would that look like a support form? Well, what it's doing right now, price rejecting from that 140, 147 level right now. I want to see price create that support, create a resistance. Then, oh, we have spammers again. Get this guy the hell out of here. There we go. Go away, man. We can't even read Russian, man. Man's coming here in an English stream trying to talk Russian to us. What do you mean? There we go. A friend of mine goes through retirement. But for now, he's happy and oh shit. No, I'm not gonna step into the answer. You're nasty, man. You're nasty. I'm gonna really watch out what you're typing. Oh man, playing games. We have around 5 minutes left for this candle to close. Hopefully it closes bullish. It's coming above that previous resistance zone on the 5-minute though, so that's pretty good. Bless you guys. Love from India. Love you too, man. Damn Luke. She's now you're good, right? Come on. Monday, man. This could be this needs to be the best day of the fucking week. Don't worry, Hamza. It's Monday, man. I'm sharp. In the morning I wasn't that sharp, but now I'm sharp. Yeah, hopefully, Mr. Chico Salve. Oh, we got a new guy again. Get the hell out of here, man. We don't talk Russian, man. You in, Luke? No. I'm not in. Look at the way this candle just moved, right? This 5-minute candle alone is twice as big as a 30-minute candle on GJ. Can't even compare it anymore. But this 15 is looking a little bit weak right now. Depends on how it closes. At that time, I think we could maybe start looking for that retrace eventually. You make any deals with some shady Eastern European dudes recently? No, man. I'm not making any deals. Running, taking on a profit. Oh, damn. It is what it is, right? Oh. The fabricate. Okay. Oh, we got this guy again. Man, people coming in with advertisements, man. Get the hell out of here. Your GBP setup. Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. That was a full-on liquidity grab, it looks like, on the 5-minute time frame on gold. The way it went up. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think it should be good, man. You made a lower low, lower high, lower low. Should be good. Price coming up without top wick, without a bottom wick, but it's 5-minute time frame, so I don't know what your target's gonna be. You're on 2 pips in profit right now. Where that's based on. You got like a square screen, man. Oh, here they're back at it again. You know. Rajput. Yeah, I got 1 loss and 1 win. Yeah, the thing is, Francisco, they're coming back constantly with new accounts. Do you trade full time for a living? Yes. Yo, Christopher.
Yo.
Can you go to the YouTube chat and just say hello for a second?
Yeah.
He's gone. Oh, there's 2 ones coming. 2 right now. Oh, it's the time. No. Oh, they hacked into it again. It's a hacking account. I might close the chat for a second. Viewman FX it is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Type again, one more time. There you go. Perfect. Now you can ban people.
What the hell's going on with the chat?
Yeah, there's some hackers in it with Russian. This user. We don't even talk Russian, man. What you doing here? Yeah, at least spam English. Last time there was like a French spammer in it. But they have like 50 accounts ready to pull up on you, and then they also have hacks to really... Can't you ban them from your channel? Yeah, the thing is they can unban themselves. Like, no joke. 16 seconds, 15 seconds for this candle to close, so let's see what's gonna happen. There you go, candle's about to close. 1, there you go. 5-minute is rejecting. 15-minute just closed bullish. Let's see what price is gonna do. If we come back up, break the high, we should continue go back up 50 to 54. And then I want to see a resistance created again at that time. Or maybe if we start closing below 50 with this 15-minute candle, I'm going to be looking for sells. I think, yeah, GJ did that push up as expected once candle closed above. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, for me, probably wouldn't have been an entry, but it's okay. minute to 5 minute did perfect again. Price broke out, created support, got it moving. What are you waiting for to get a new resistance created? So on the 15 minute, we're creating a resistance right now. So if we start closing bullish with this one, I might get a sell to fill this wick and continue moving down. But I'm waiting on price to close at this moment. It's also delicate time right now, so price could do a lot of things at the same time. Go. My 10 pips don't want to temp. Thanks for doing these streams. Yeah, no problem, man. Thank you for tuning in. Goes only sells for the next decade. Yeah, I don't know about that. What's the ticker for DXY on MT5? I don't look at DXY, so I got no idea, man. Voila. I had no idea. Yes. I know what you're doing. Are you not?
I'm actually not even looking at it anymore.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I was on the internet just browsing.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
This is just
trash.
Yeah, it's just
look at the way it's moving, man.
Close to my zone, but it's trapping people every time.
Yeah. Like it just catches you. Oh. There we go. Delicate, man. It's dangerous to sell now. Gold is 4 hour, kind of close above one. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta keep in mind that 4 hours is about to close, so 26 minutes left for that. So let's see how that closes. Maybe you could fill the wick. I mean, if you look at the 30-minute time frame, it's pretty delicate, right? This wick is bigger than the actual body. But if you have a candle close like this, we retested this zone on 52.37. And if this candle closes below here, you could take a cheeky sell once you start breaking 150 again. 150 flat. The pullback on this next 4 hours is gonna be mad though. Like when's the last time when you see that 4 hour pushing down so cleanly? I looked at you call any trade on TzRzetHz this session? No. No. Well, I explained a little bit, but I didn't take anything. Yeah, it's just delicate right now. If you, as you can see, if you look on the 30-minute time frame, right, you don't have any supports being formed. So every time you sell, if you sell here, you're going to be selling the low, and that's pretty dangerous, you know. That could hurt you big time. I do it sometimes too, and it's just not smart to do. It's better to just wait for that 30-minute to close bullish. Like, what would be better than this 30-minute closing bullish, right? Making a top wick for the 4 hour and then breaking this low and then filling the wick down. Like, can't get any better than that nearly. So we're gonna wait for that to happen and see how we're gonna act up on it.
Yeah, I like that idea. I'm looking for the same thing.
Yeah, that would be perfect. But that 4 hour does need to make a little top wick, you know. Fill the 4 hour wick, then down. And then I think at that moment, if we touch 45, we're gonna fly back up. Make a huge retracement.
I don't know what to do with myself now. You gave me the band hammer. I feel like a...
About to ban everyone. You can also put people on a timeout. Big drop, I believe, from 1800 to 1640. Yeah, but that's massive drop. That's massive. This is only like 500 pips. Only like 500 pips. That's
only like 500. Only. Only.
But the other one was 160 pips.
Only. Shit.
Look, you're really professional. I like your patience. Awesome. Yeah, perfect, man. Thank you. Yeah, I want to see this 30-minute candle close bullish, like weak bullish, you know. I mean, this one might fill the wick already, but I just close bullish, and it's all gonna be good. So would you say what?
I know who's chilling right now. Chilling.
I don't know, man.
Big chilling. At least she ain't holding 300 pip drawdown. You know?
Yeah, true. Michelle.
She's chilling. She's probably on the boat right now watching her profits.
No, she's still in there. Michelle.
You know they're here.
Yeah, she is. Look.
Oh.
Cody should be in there too. Man like Cody.
Yeah, I see Cody, but oh yeah, there she is. Yeah, they're chilling.
Yeah. They're on the boat.
Shoot, I had y'all double muted.
Why?
Because I have a mute on my mic and I have a mute on my computer.
Okay.
I am not in 100 pip drawdown.
No, I said you're chilling right now.
Oh yeah.
Chilling. I thought you were on the boat watching your profits, but
you're holding till 45, right?
Computer.
No, I got stopped out on my short.
What?
Yeah,
I did.
You should have held, man.
Well, I should have. You're right.
Yeah, I said. I was like holding till 45. I didn't say you had to come out and break even. You said yes.
No, I did. I put it, but I had a trailing stop on it.
Okay.
I had a trailing stop on it. I wasn't gonna let the profit go, and it stopped me out when I went to go like your stream. I left my screen to go like your stream, and I went bling, and I was out.
And then like you jumped back in.
Dang, you were still in. You'd be up like 200 right now, bro.
Well, I wish, but and like you said, it's scary to take a short when it's here. Like, it's really scary to take sells as it's going down, because I've done that and then I've ended up selling at the very bottom price.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Why I don't want to take sells right now. I don't want to be the low.
Right.
The people don't understand.
Praying
But,
for it to come back.
You're missing out on this trade. No, I don't want to be the low. Just don't want to be the low.
I've done it.
How do we get on the Zoom? But right now it's pretty much nearly full. But market fluidity. But just want to say hi to you, the team. Love from South Africa. Love your music and talks, guys. Thank you, man. So it's also easier to buy gold rather than to sell. Yeah, it depends on the trend as well, Kings. But most of the times, like there's a lot of people that only buy gold. Like they only buy gold, they don't sell gold. But as you can see, selling can work out as well. You see 50 pip move down. Like sells are 100% gonna be well as well. If you were starting to buy in these zones, it's gonna be very hard for you. Like I bought in the zone Friday, in the selling zone when we started coming down. I know what I was doing right. It's like I didn't expect price to come all the way back up to 1901 where we sold off from. Watching you in Bolivia, first time on the stream. Welcome, man. Welcome, Ricardo. Lose so much paper. money on my demo account today. I'm positive someone out there. Yeah, probably. Probably. But that's telling you something. You're trading, over risking. But you should slow it down, Chief.
Man, stock. Man, stock, he's about to get a compliment for that. Yeah, hammer on the head. Stop over trading, boy.
My mentor. I'm not even gonna say it, man. You're not gonna catch me slipping, man. You're not gonna catch me slipping. This man trying to let me say shit. This man. Yeah, this kind of needs to go up, man. 15-minute needs to close without a bottom wick and then just start flying up. When we buy gold later, we need to hold it. Yeah, I don't know if it's the best idea to buy gold right here. I mean, it could be. I'm not telling you you can't, but I mean, we're coming up to a pretty important zone. If we come to 45, I think buys would continue. But that does not mean that you have to buy right now, right? You know. How much spread do you have on gold, like a pip? Good work on the streams, everyone. Thank you, man. Yeah, gold's nasty right now. You gotta be a real cowboy if you want to be in everything that's going on right now. Like, I mean, yeah, there's setups forming when price started re-breaking its own low again. That meant rejection of 218 made sense, but not on a Monday, guys. Come on, Monday. Why is it falling like that? I got no idea, man. Ask the market makers. Yeah, we've got around. Yeah. Oh man, price moving fast right now. Like the way it's still choppy at the end of the day, but let's see. I want to wait another 15 minutes for this 4-hour close. See how that closes. If it closes well, maybe act up on something. But the way the 15 just is about to close is not nice. Sells further down are going to be range is going to be too small compared to your stop loss. So better be careful. But the thing is, price is moving okay fast because this 15-minute candle itself, right? If you count this 15-minute candle, how big this 15-minute candle is fucking 47 pip 15-minute candle. Like, that's a 1-hour candle on gold, right? You know, not even. This is a 1-hour candle right here on gold. All these candles are 1-hour candles on gold. This candle is 20 pips. Next candle is how big is the next candle? Next candle is 20 pips. Next candle is also 20 pips, I think. Yeah, 15 pips. This current candle is only like also like 15 pips. That's probably a 5-minute on gold. You know, so for me it doesn't make sense to trade GG at the moment. It's just way too slow. Way too slow. You know. I mean, it makes sense at the end of the day, but don't want to be in such a slow market. Like, ooh, man's doing that beat thing. Oh, there you go. Dropping 45, got hit. Savage, that drop, insane. So tempting, but the 4 hours scare me a lot. Yeah, don't try and look at everything too much. I mean, you're at
this is
support.
where I'll pay attention to. Right here. This will be nice right here.
That was a drop right there. That was insane. Like a drop that was. You see the way that acted up on that 45 level, the way it just bounced back up. Yeah, that's dangerous. You know, at the end of the day, you want to be in the best possible position, right? And especially on a Monday, so don't try and jump into everything. Yeah, sometimes gold can drop that fast, Rick. Sometimes gold can do some crazy drops. Like this was from that level right here. The drop from 47 to 44.7 in a matter of seconds. 30 pips, like bang. A couple people caught it. And for they got 150 pips on gold. Thanks for the stream. Perfect. What's the song called? Timpani Beat by Nana Quibana. Fabiana. Or whatever. Are you waiting for the 4-hour pullback? Yeah, it depends. I just want to see this 15 close a week. Like week. But it's delicate right now because this candle already filled the low. So let's see. Jonathan, yeah, I need to trade by myself. You need to trade by yourself. That's the thing. That people think this is some sort of a signal service right here that we're doing. No, we're just trading by ourselves, and you need to also trade by yourself by your own plan. Like, I'm not calling out trades for the sake of you trying to copy it. I'm making trades for you to learn it. You know, taking my own trades for you to learn on what I'm doing and what the other people are doing right here. You know. So you need to focus on your own plan, your own possibilities, your own setups, you know. Doesn't make sense to only wait for my setups. If you have something else that works, go ahead and do it, man. For using Dominion markets. This is the thing, it can pull back up in a matter of seconds again, so.
Look at that rejection, man.
Yeah.
Right at the level I've been talking about all morning.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Whoa! You did nothing?
Yeah, I'm really waiting.
Okay. I didn't copy your trade. I had it set up, but your commentary got me nervous. Yeah, that's the thing, Jonathan. Next time when that happens, just mute me for a second. And then do your own trade. And once you, I had the same thing, Jonathan. Same thing. I had the same thing in different streams as well. And that might be because your trading style is a little bit different than mine. So once you start getting your setup, once you start seeing your setup form, just mute me for a second. Go ahead, do your own setup. Come back once everything worked out or didn't work out, and listen to why it worked or didn't work out. You know, try and be on yourself a little at that time. I understand the thought process you got. You got influenced by me. I understand it. Next time, jump out for a second, do your own thing, come back in. Yeah. See how we do it. Yeah, it's moving. I think you
Gold
want to
is
see.
not stopping anymore, man. Jeez. Let me see real quick.
Where's Kerwin? He knows everything about gold. Yeah. Maybe he's coming on at the end of this week. I'll shoot him a message. 2% on GJ today. Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
I wonder if this is deja vu of Friday for some people.
What?
I said, I wonder if this is deja vu of Friday,
Friday.
for some
Yeah.
people.
I wish I made a lot of money Friday.
So then why aren't you short now?
No! Oh shit! Yeah. Got 8 minutes left for this 1 hour to close. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Jesus.
The trading with major FX like this. Yeah, it's good. I mean, if you really wanted to be in, you could have been at a couple drops. You know, thing is, like, if you look at this 15-minute time frame, the drop from here, from this 15-minute close to here, is like fucking 94 pips. It's mad. Like, price is moving right now. It's not that it's not moving, but the entries, the correct entries, are not showing for me on a Monday. So I want to be a little bit more careful at that time. I've been waiting to see. What do you think gold's gonna? It depends. I mean, we first have a retail sales, so first need to see what retail sales does, and then after that, see what FOMC is gonna do. Play Legend by Jews. Yeah, it's all copyright. This is non-copyright music. All by YouTube itself. That's the best. I know you could lock down. Yeah, probably money run. Just depends on the market structure at the end of the day as well. But might get weaker. I mean, just the things they're saying, I don't know why, man. Fucking smack. Just the numbers. Check it out. Yeah. Bailey started speaking, but there was already some nice buys on gold once she started, breaking up. It's already the beginning of this session. So, about 4 minutes left for this candle to close, so let's see how it's going to close. That 4 hour is going to close out a bum wick. We might shoot all the way back up. I mean, this candle is strong though, but we're at the zone right now, right? And we don't know if we're going to break into zone. If we do, we're coming down. We're coming downtown 29, 23, and maybe even to 14. But look at the way price moved, like since Friday, right? Since Friday already, from the top of Friday where we started actually selling off from, we already moved nearly 600 pips, man. You've been seeing gold for GG the last 20 minutes, maybe one time, but are we still looking for sales if we break the past target? Nah. I just want to see this candle close. See what it does, see what it looks like. Like at the end of the day, you see all time frames are just made the current low, so you can't be the one selling the current low, right? Maybe that's in your plan, you can, but yeah. If it starts billing, yeah, I think so. I think so. 154. That's going to be break of structure, and then I think buys are going to get into play. The break of the structure, buys are going to get into play. Target sells, target buy 61, then 66. 68 is a strong level, so that's the 4 hour level on the left side. Watch out for that, but if we start breaking that, we should continue moving further up. Like a 4 hours pulling back right now. About 1 minute and 50 seconds left for this candle to close. It does have a pretty good wick, 30 pip wick, so let's see. But what would your confirmation be for gold buys?
Yes.
You're from the bottom, aren't you?
Go to 5 minute.
44.
5 minute.
Yeah.
Look at that candle right there. What it did to the previous one. I'm not saying anything. I didn't do anything, so don't quote me on nothing.
I'm not saying anything.
I'm not a financial advisor. And neither is my man. And this is educational purposes only.
Exactly. You know it.
If you don't believe me that I said this, replay the stream. Because they're saved every day. So you can't take me to court.
Oh shit.
Jesus, mean.
Okay, now. Right, Wednesday, they're buying USD. Okay. Yo, much for looking. Should be. Oh, 5 minute close without a top wick. But look at the 15, how weak that 15 is. You can already start even buying about 52. You might feel the wick down, fucking hell. There. I think the gold. Nah. Don't believe that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be in this. The close itself isn't on my book. 5 minute close without a top wick. I mean, if you start breaking a 15 minute high, you could expect some reversals to happen, but I'm not going to take that myself. New York was a no trading session for me. Took 2 trades in London. Maybe Wednesday and New York it's going to be something happening for me. But yeah, Gonna call it this one. Tomorrow, Master P is gonna do it on my channel again. So if you guys like Master P, be there, P Square. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the stream. We still have 750 people in. We don't even have 500 likes yet, guys. We have 366. Come on, guys. Push those numbers. Those are rookie numbers.
Like the stream, guys.
Yeah, like the stream. We're just about to hit 1.3k. We had 3 subscribers away from 1.3k. So also press that thing. Thank you guys for being here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again. Enjoy your day. Don't try and overtrade. It's Monday. Take it easy. Yeah, thank you guys. See ya.
Thank you.
Later.